Okay, so drop the camera and
there's sand stuck in it.
I got water behind the lens. We'll see you later. Sorry we can't bring you with. What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold, back at you with another video, daily vlogs. So today we're going to the beach, just gonna have a beach vlog. So hope you enjoyed that intro. We're gonna drive there now. Alright. Oh yeah, we also do have to ship a box of shoes. So you take that. We're gonna go stop at the post office. See you later, Finn.
Bye, Finland.
He's too busy eating, but he'll be barking in a second. I can grab that. I got the cooler. I got towels and stuff in my backpack. Going to a cool beach. So, if you guys are new to this channel, her name is Kristina. My name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We've been documenting it all on YouTube. We've been making videos on YouTube, kind of funnier videos about reselling and just documenting like our growth and everything. So, if you are new, sorry about that. If you are new, you should definitely consider subscribing. But today, we're just going to the beach. Is it hot in there? Oh boy. Here you go. I got towels in there. Yeah, gas, and then post. And then beach.
Whoop, whoop. I'm so excited.
This is Kristina's third time at the beach. Second time going to actually lay down and tan and swim. This beach is really cool. They have this old bridge. So I'm really hoping to get a shot of me jumping off of it with the GoPro in my hand, and then Kristina will have this camera.
Oh, jeez.
That'll definitely be really cool. But it's in the like sewage water. It's pretty gross, but not sewage water, but.
I won't be doing that one.
But yeah, we're gonna get gas. We'll be
at the beach.
And it's like a half-hour drive, but to you guys it'll be half a second. Okay, now off to the post office.
With air conditioning.
With air conditioning. Alright, so we're at our post office. You coming in?
No.
Alright. Well, oh, yeah. You enjoy the camera?
I'm not gonna do anything. Did I do anything? You'll never know.
I will know, because the viewers will know, because I will be watching that when I edit and make this. Sorry, bro. I'm in a rush, though. All right, now on to the beach.
To the beach. Am I good?
Yeah. So we just got to the beach. You can't really see it because it's around those trees, but we're gonna walk this bridge and yeah. Okay, we got all situated, got our flip-flops and everything. Kristina's grabbing the cooler to give to me. We're gonna walk over there now. All right, so we're about to be headed over this bridge. Pretty cool. Yeah, Kristina's first time here.
Is this what you want to jump off?
No, that's...
Okay.
super excited. We're just gonna go find a spot to lay down and then we'll pull the camera back out. So, let me zoom out. So we're having a great time. We just got situated. Hopefully you can hear us. The beach is really nice. Kristina wants to lay down and tan for a bit, so we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna go check out those woods back there. We're gonna go in the water over there. And yeah, just hang out for a little bit.
Try to get home before 5.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go check out this woods. Okay, so drop the camera and
there's sand stuck in it.
Stuck in it. Hold on.
Just make sure there's no sand.
Alright, keep this one up top though. So.
Well, the problem, hold on.
Yeah, you can use that.
Tons of sand in here. Sorry.
It's okay. I got water behind the lens. I don't think you can see the water, but I can't get the lens back there. So this is what we're dealing with. Hopefully you can see. That, there was a lot of sand, and if you can see, there's some water in there. So I got the lenses right there. Just gonna have to fix it when we get home. But we're not gonna let that break us down. We can still use it. We're gonna go in there, so hopefully you can hear me even talking. And yeah. Yeah, let's just take them off and
open all the way?
yeah. It's just sand. There we go. Shut her down. So warm. It's really rocky, then it gets soft. Is it your first time with the waves? Oh my goodness, that ain't the same. We gotta get deep. Good? See, this is what we should have done. Here, vlog it. Alright, We're gonna go deep. I went under. Yeah. My hair looks really funny. That's why you have to stay under your head. You got to enjoy it! Right? You guys jump when they come. Ready? Watch. If you jump, it's really fun. Here, come on. Swim! Swim, baby, swim! Hey, I bet you look really good.
Probably not.
I bet I look really good. I'm on my knees. Should I go as far as I can? No, alright, fine. I'll meet you back there. It's okay. I'll meet you back. I love you. I guess I don't need to swim. Kristina has to go back. This is crazy out here. I can just up. I can just touch out of the ground. I've been out in the water for 5 minutes. Is that bad? Big wave coming in. Oh boy. I waited for a big wave. Oh boy. Alright, time to swim back. I started sketching out. Gonna ride the wave. It's like getting washed up on shore.
Sorry, the waves were just really scary.
I know, I got so scared when I went so far out. Okay, so we had a little confusion with that, but we're gonna go explore now. This is gonna suck to walk on, it's gonna hurt, but just for a second.
Holy crap, it's so hot.
Run! Ow! Okay, on the shade. A tree hit my foot or stabbed my foot. It happens. And my feet are asleep.
Oh, did you jump into the water?
Some people would. Let's go over this way. Ooh, the sand feels nice and cold. Look, you come putting your feet in this water. It's really cool stepping down, you sink. Woo, it's chilly.
Cold.
This water's chilly.
Ooh, it's so cold, so cold. Can't.
Let's get up the hill. Run. Now we gotta go this way. Waiting for you. I won't put it in. Should I jump off the bridge now? Should I selfie it?
Yeah.
It's gonna be so cold.
Cold?
It all went up my nose.
Oh no.
That was fun. Whew. That's cold.
Look at those back muscles.
That's some cold water. So hopefully you can hear me. We've just been hanging out for the past half hour. Kristina's tanning. I'm filming a couple things, time lapses. I'm yelling so you can hear me. We're gonna be heading home soon. We'll wrap up the vlog. We gotta figure out what's wrong with the Canon. It is broken, so I will show you that more when we get home. But yeah, we're just enjoying our time now. We hope you guys are enjoying this video. We're loving the beach. We'll definitely be here more. Can't wait to travel the world and go to many more beaches.
I love you
I love you.
so much.
All right, so Kristina and I realized we should have been in the woods part the whole time.
Yes.
So we're resetting up. We're gonna be laying down probably for a couple hours, honestly. Why not? So, we hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. So, we just got home. I got the camera somewhat working. As you can see, there's these black things in the way. It's the lens cover, it's not coming off. I'm gonna have to really fix this. So that was our video. Thank you for watching. Kristina's in the shower, she's getting all cleaned up. Let me just get these off. Sorry guys, give me 1 second. Here we go. So, like I said, that was our video. Beach day. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate you all, every single one of you. Make sure to smash that like button. Leave some comments down below if you got any love for us or if you want to share anything. We really appreciate it. Peace, guys. Go crush it.